over and beyond, you should make sure that you are providing sufficient amounts to this chicken to make sure that then they are growing, as then we shall be able to illustrate in a few. But for the equipment, therefore, then you need to have an equipment that is able to make it easy to feed your chicken, and one, improve efficiency, and number two, reduce wastage. Such an equipment with this part here, or this part here, is that once the chicken are feeding and throwing some out, this one prevents the wastages, yeah? And therefore, if you have 1,000 chicken and each of them are throwing 5 grams or so out, you could be losing 5 kgs on a daily basis. But then with this kind of equipment, a modern feeder like this one, then you're able to reduce such wastages. For the drinkers, then you can improvise or just use whatever you can buy on the shops, but just